Hey guys.
Back to the channel. Here's my PVG look, just to tell you. My PVG look.
Wait, is that paper?
My PVG look for now
Oh,
on.
my other papers, you have two of them.
Hi, I have cereal. No one's here.
I'm sick right now, so I'm
Wait,
not
can
going
I
to be
delete that
making
video?
a lot of videos because I'm sick.
He's sick.
And this
Here's
is
my
the daily
PVG.
vlog.
Here's my PVG look, just to
This
tell you
is-
guys. I love you guys.
This is just the daily
And please
news for
speed
today.
paint. Please speed paint me. Please. I want to see how I look in
And
speed paint.
post in the comments how can she speed paint because she really wants to.
Yes. And I don't even have a computer. Maybe they have Give me!
I'm gonna get a computer. I don't know. I need a webcam for it. I'm gonna try to buy
They
one.
don't got time for this. They don't got time for this.
And I'm gonna try to get a good PC so that I can play LSPDFR. So I hope you guys learned off that. And see you guys next time.